So we're headed north towards Tremonton, and this is the Salt Creek Bird Refuge. And this Salt Creek comes out of a spring that's about 4 miles north, straight ahead. It's too salty to irrigate with, so they've made a migratory bird sanctuary out of it. There's a sign up here. You can hunt this one, seasons. There's a few birds on the ponds.
Oh yeah, they are. They look like swans. Look at that.
Waterfowl management.
All right, guys. You can hear swans. What's that other bird? Sorry for the wind. Geese, yeah. Yeah. Over there, that's the Wellsville range there, guys.
Like I say, you can hunt this with permit.
Back there's the promontory range, right, honey?
Yeah. And then little mountains on the left.
Just kind of doing a 360 so you can see actually out here. It's gorgeous. Look at that.
Over there.
Look at that view.
But this is all natural here.
Yeah, yeah.
This is, you know, they might have put a dam or two in down there just to help back this up, but I don't think so.
All right.
This has been going on for eons.
We'll just back out of here and we'll go on to the next, peeps.
We'll drive up along the side of this and see what other kind of birds we can see. We got them recorded.
Yeah.
This is really lush in the summertime. We know there's some geese here and some swans, and then we heard a red-winged blackbird. I really like the sound of those.
Like I said, that's the Wellsville range over there, peeps. Look at all the marsh here. A lot of different birds, a lot of ducks, geese, swan, all together right there.
Well, and it's a stopping spot on their migration.
Gotcha.
So there's no telling what you'll see sitting here. There's a boat launch. I think it was back on that other area where we stopped. They put airboats out there. And duck boats.
Babies. Any babies there? No. We've seen some sheep. Cute sheep. Baby sheep. Normally on our travels we've been seeing cows, and they're calving right now big time, and oh my gosh, the little babies are everywhere. It's adorbs. Just say adorbs. So we're coming out on the east end of this, and this is pretty much it, guys. It was just a quick little video we wanted to show you. I want to show you how pretty this view is though as you're coming out of here. If you go this way, honey, where does that go?
That goes to the dump.
That goes to the dump. It's a paved road up there, the back entrance to the dump.
And this road's paved right into Tremonton.
And then, like John said, this road, there we go, little bit of shakiness, huh?
We'll catch Iowa Strings Highway down here. We'll take that over to the Bear River Refuge, the big one. We're gonna head there next, so stay tuned.
All right, guys. Hey, thanks for watching.